Hi Bloomies! I just parked my car and I'm heading to Millennium Dance Complex here in Salt Lake City. And I'm going to attend Tia's class and I'm so excited! Here's my outfit for today. So Millennium is inside Trolley Square. I'm so excited for this class. This is my first time attending Tia's class here in Salt Lake City. I'm still early, like 5 minutes early. I didn't put any makeup, just my eyebrows and lipstick. Hi! No. Hi!
Assuming everybody is paid. Okay. Okay,
So I checked in.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah. You were just pressing a street and highlight So, kakauwi ko lang galing dance. So, ginabi na nga ako. Dito muna ako nagstay sa car para mag-video. So, kanina hindi ko na video yung last na ginawa namin. Yung selfie. Ang hirap kasi
What? A few moments later.
Ang hirap kasi na pagsabayin yung dance saka yung recording or yung pagbablog. Nahirapan talaga ako. Lalo na limited lang yung time namin para matutunan yung dance. Parang 1.5 hour lang atas. Tas super dami pa namin sa loob. Punong-puno talaga yung studio. Super init. Pero super saya. So happy na na-experience ko yung class with Tia. And definitely will going to do it again next time na may class siya ulit dito. Since na lumipat na dito si Tia sa Salt Lake to start a family. Probably she's gonna have more classes in the future. Pero yun lang yung first class niya this month. Since na nandito siya sa Utah, 2 classes pa lang. Na-miss ko yung isa kasi nandun ako last week ba? Basta yung first class niya is nasa Oregon ako. So miss her first class. So, sana nagustuhan nyo tong video na to. Comment kayo kung ano yung mga nagustuhan nyo sa videong ito at mamimili ako. Magbibigay ako ng giveaways. Gagawa ako ng another video about it. And yeah, so don't forget to follow, share, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. I'm going to start my YouTube channel and I'm going to upload more. Ayun lang guys for today. Give some love and grow, glow, and bloom. Love you!